All right, we're going to go a little fast here, so if anything kind of flies over your head, just start the video over, take it slow again. Okay, so we got to start with middle C, middle of our keyboard. I know it kind of looks like it's down to the left, but it's in the middle of your keyboard. And then we're going to walk up white keys to the next C. That gives us the C major scale right here. And this is all we're going to use. We're never going to use any other keys than this. We're going to start with our thumb on middle C, then we're going to add E, and we're going to add G. Now, you see how there's a white key between each finger? That's going to stay the same. This pattern, the shape of my hands here, is going to stay the same the whole time. We're going to move this shape up parallel. And that next chord is a D minor. The next chord is an E minor, an F major, a G major, an A minor. Now the last chord, this is called a B diminished. We're not going to play that. We're just going to play the first 6 chords. Okay, so when you're practicing this, first you want to do is just get the mechanical part of it down. Be able to play this up and down. Next thing you want to be able to do is say the name of each chord. C major, D minor, E minor, F major, G minor, G major, A minor. Okay, now third, what you want to do is, if you can, add the left hand. I'm going to shift my octave here. So now your left hand, it should be down here. I just had to change it on the screen here. So my left hand is going to play just the root of each chord. That's the lowest note in each chord. You can use one finger. So for the chord C, your left hand is just going to play the note C. That's called the root. So we're going to do it again. C, D, E, F, G, A. Okay? C major, D minor, E minor, F major, G major, A minor. And now the last thing that you can do to really make sure that you remember these 6 chords is see if you can recall what they are without playing them. You've got major, minor, minor, major, major, minor. C major, D minor, E minor, F major, G major, A minor. Okay? Practice that every day until it's written in the back of your mind. Good luck.